Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make traditional hummus. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need cooked chickpeas, a good quality tahini, fresh lemon juice, and a clove or two of garlic. These simple components are the secret to a truly delicious and authentic dip. Get ready to transform these basics into something wonderful. Now let's get blending for that perfect texture. First, if you want super smooth hummus, gently peel the skins from your cooked chickpeas. In your food processor, combine the tahini and fresh lemon juice until it's light and creamy. Then, add your minced garlic and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the chickpeas, along with a few tablespoons of ice water, blending until completely smooth. Achieving the right consistency is key to amazing hummus. As you blend, slowly drizzle in a few more tablespoons of ice water until your hummus is incredibly smooth and light. Don't rush this step. Take your time to ensure there are no lumps. Remember to scrape down the sides of your food processor frequently. Finally, taste and adjust the salt or lemon juice to your preference. Your delicious homemade hummus is now ready to be served. Spoon it into a shallow bowl and use the back of a spoon to create a nice swirl on top. This little detail makes it look extra inviting. Finish with a generous drizzle of good quality extra virgin olive oil. For a final touch, sprinkle with a pinch of paprika or some freshly chopped parsley. Enjoy your authentic creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.